We start in Espoo, Finland, at Aurora Primary School, where the smallest Finns first encounter their country's secret to success. It's 9 a.m. on a Monday. These children are heading to their first class of the day, a day that will end around 1:30. That's right, a 4.5-hour school day. But this isn't a holiday or any other kind of special day. This is a typical school day for young Finnish students.
This is a second grade class and the teacher is Mrs. Kiia Sömäjokinen, and she is now teaching about mikä oli avaruus englanniksi? Space. Moons and suns and stars.
Marty Hellstrom is the headmaster here at Aurora, and from what we observed, his staff seems as energetic and enthusiastic as he is. He translated this second grade science lesson for us.
She's telling how the life is born in Earth.
After this 45-minute lesson, their first of the day, the students go back outside for a 15-minute recess. This happens rain or shine, even in the middle of the frigid Finnish winter. All students must go outside. After recess, Dr. Hellstrom gathered the children for an assembly about diversity. This is a regularly scheduled monthly meeting where students explore topics ranging from traffic safety to recycling. The teachers at the school have formed their own band, and they often perform at these assemblies.
The theme of the assembly is globalization and how we everybody should tolerate difference and maybe love it. And we sing some songs and I have a little speech for those children. Kuinka kivaa on, että maapallolla puhutaan montaa kieltä, että maapallolla on erivärisiä ihmisiä, että eri puolilla maata opitaan tekemään erilaista ruokaa.
This group of sixth graders has been studying the music and culture of Africa for the past few weeks in preparation for today's assembly. And they perform a musical number they've been rehearsing. At the end of the gathering, Dr. Hellstrom makes sure the larger message of the day is highlighted and understood by the children.
Ollaan kaikki toisiemme kavereita ja ollaan iloisia siitä, että olemme erilaisia. Se on mukavampaa kuin että kaikki olisi ihan samannäköisiä.
Dr. Hellstrom says his role as band leader is actually a metaphor for his role as headmaster, since his job is not only to lead, but to teach as well, just like all Finnish headmasters. This is a music class that Dr. Hellstrom teaches. The philosophy here in Finland is that administrators should never be too far removed from the classroom. Like all Finnish teachers, they are expected to use whatever methods they can come up with to best engage students and help them to learn.
Ja sama kaanonina. Eli nyt te aloitatte ekaksi ja me aloitetaan vähän.
In Finland, there are no rule books stating exactly what teachers must teach or how they should teach it. Dr. Hellstrom took us to a classroom that at first glance appeared to be some kind of physical education class.
It is one of our fourth grade class, and they are just having, a little time to take it easy, and they listen to the story the teacher is telling, and then they are talking about some ethical values.
This is, in truth, a Finnish language lesson in which the teacher had all of the students lie down on the floor in order to help them prepare mentally for the class.
She's a very talented mathematics teacher also, so she gives us also very much ideas how to teach mathematics.
Tätä ei varmaan tarvitse.
This too is a key point in Finnish education.
Herrat on kartalla.
Teachers are encouraged to learn from one another and to share ideas regularly.
Okay, so two tasks going on at the same time. One group there is planning a game for the next Tuesday. The others did it already, so because they are ready earlier, they started to read their books.
In Finland, teachers recognize and embrace the fact that students learn at different paces. So it's common for classes to be working on several assignments at once while the teacher monitors students' progress and ensures that all concepts are being understood. In general, Finnish teachers spend less time lecturing than their American counterparts and more time with hands-on learning. It's also important to remember that since there is no annual standardized testing in Finland, teachers never have to use valuable class time to, quote, teach to the test. Many Finnish educators will say that if there are any secrets to their success, this is certainly one of them.